Hey there, West Shore faculty and instructors. We're going to have a quick tutorial here on how to cross-list courses, so let's get started. First, you're going to find the Canvas course shell that you will not be using as the main course shell for your students. So we're going to click the settings cog on the right-hand side of the screen. And then in the settings screen, you're going to click Sections tab. Then click the hyphenated section title. On the right-hand side of the screen, click Cross-list this section. Search for the course shell that you will be using as your main Canvas shell. Everything's going to go into this Canvas shell. Click on the course when it populates, and then click Cross-list this section. You will see a message stating that the cross-list was successful at the top of your screen. You will also notice that the course shell you were in has changed to your main Canvas shell. If you click the home screen, then People, you'll see the instructor shows both sections, and students from the different sections will show under this one course shell. And that's how you cross-list. If you have any other questions or if I can help in any way, feel free to shoot me an email at kbeal@westshore.edu. Have a good day.